Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are spring cleaning in the last room, and that is the living room. I'm getting started. It's about 8:30. I normally never try to film these type of videos with Wasey up because it's chaotic, but it's supposed to be a really warm day, and so I want to be able to spend as much time as we can outside. So I really want to bust out and get this area cleaned so that way we can spend as much time as we can outside today. Oh, Emily's showing you her picture of stickers. But I'm going to be getting them breakfast, and I'm going to be in the living room so I can keep an eye on them then. So I figured now would be a good time to get things started because really the space isn't going to take me too long. It's more just wiping down walls, wiping things, dusting. I was going to clean the couches, but if you watched my hallway and stair video, my carpet cleaner, the attachment just isn't working very good for that kind of thing. I need to get one of the small hand carpet cleaners. So I think I've already posted an Amazon video about the deals that are going on, and one of those is a handheld carpet cleaner. So hopefully I will be able to clean that soon. So that's something I'm not going to get done, but I will carpet clean the floors. I was planning on moving all of the couches, but realistically it's just not going to work out. I've pushed this video for quite a while, cleaning this room, because I was going to need my husband's help to move things, and then we just got busy. We were doing other things. So today I'm just going to kind of clean the carpets where they are, and then hopefully sometime in the future we can kind of clean those spaces that we missed. But for now we're at least going to get the main walking area cleaned, and I feel like that will be good. So just know I also am not able to get everything done on my list that I was originally wanting. So if you're in that same boat, it is okay, because it's just life. You only can do as much as you can, and realistically that's just what I need to do. And you never know, maybe since I will be trying to get this done early in the morning, tonight when my husband gets home we can move the couches, since the carpet will be probably almost dry, and get it done that way. We'll just kind of play it by ear and we will see. I'm not gonna try to rush things or try to get some things done before, but we'll just kind of play it by ear and see. But I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get into all of this cleaning.
This world is so cold and deceiving, filled with lies and disguises and cheating. I got just the right sugar to sweeten, turn it all to the garden of Eden. I can make the gray turn gold, I can make the sun come out, I can make the bland turn bold, show you what it's all about. I can make all your edges smooth, I can make your visions come true. Just like a filter, whenever you want me, I'm here for you. I make you brand new, just like a filter. All of them flaws, baby, what's the use? Let's bang it true. I can give you a vibe and a reason. You just have to give in to the feeling. Don't you know that believing is seeing? Let me paint you a world you can dream in.
I think Trajan was the one that screwed those in, because those two are so tight. So
but the other one you could get.
Yeah, that other one I could get, huh? So I think I'm just gonna put that curtain back up, and then I'll just wash those when Trajan gets home and he can undo it. I don't know if I'll share it, but I'll just do that because I can't get it undone and I don't want to ruin it trying to get it. So that's kind of my plan. You know, things just don't always go to plan.
was feeling hopeless, I was feeling broken, couldn't see where I was going, almost fell apart. That is when I found you, you could see right through me, pull me from the darkness, save me from the start. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am, I follow the voices in my heart. I feel you're always here by my side. I know that you are glorious, glorious. I know that you are glorious. I'm all in this time, all in this time. On top of the world, let's save every moment. Nothing can break us apart. Let us show 춤을 추며 노래 do whatever I like, because I have you right by my side. I know that you are. 이전엔 내가 아냐, 난 돌아가지 않아. 공허했었던 그 수많은 밤을 말이야. 아무도 없던 내게 따스히 다가와준 그 모든 의미를 난 잊지 않아. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am, I follow the voices in my heart.
So I got those blinds into some warm water, soaking in the bathtub. It's the easiest way to clean it, and after cleaning them just with a washcloth not taken down, I was like, this is definitely the easier option. You don't even hardly have to scrub. You just kind of let them soak and it gets all that dust and grime off. But using my spin mop again to clean these walls, it definitely is just the way to go. It is so much faster and you can clean so much higher. So definitely using that today to get everything nice and cleaned, because I did have quite a few walls in this space. You will have to let me know, what are your weekend plans? I think that we're not going to be doing anything too crazy. It is my grandma's birthday, so we're going to go to a painting place and we're going to paint, and then we're going to go over to her house for lunch. And then other than that, like, our weekends pretty open. We might try to go outside and get some yard work done, because it's definitely getting to be warmer here and we really want to get sod put in the backyard before too long, once we know for sure that it's not freezing anymore, things like that. So we want to have the yard ready for when we can put it in, because we live on a very busy street and we want to make sure that the kids can play and be outside as much as they can in the backyard where we know that they are safe. So that is like our number one priority, is getting that backyard ready for sod. So hopefully soon we can get that. And then we've also thought about getting them a little like metal swing set. I don't know if I've ever actually shown the backyard, but it is a very small space. So we can't do like a big swing set that has like a big playhouse on it. But Trajan's thinking about building like a tree house, because we have two really big trees that he could build one. So that's kind of what we're thinking. So that way the kids can have, you know, be able to play outside, and Wacy really won't be able to play if we actually do get the treehouse, but I know Waverly would absolutely love it. But we swept and mopped that front entry area, and then I'm cleaning this fan really quick, just getting things wiped down, cleaned. We're going to be cleaning windows, everything, just getting it nice and spring cleaned, and it just feels so good, especially because this is the last room that I was really needing to tackle, and it just, I don't know, I feel so good now knowing that it's done. But I will say, I feel like because I've been focusing so much on like just spring cleaning, I feel like my house just needs like a good reset. I need to clean the bathrooms, I need to just vacuum everywhere, wipe things down, just like dusting, just to kind of maintain all of that spring cleaning. So that will definitely be coming soon on my channel. And something that I'm thinking about kind of adding in is, I think it will be every Friday, I'll kind of try to do just like a day in the life, kind of mix things up a little bit and just share a little bit more of my life. And that will kind of include like, you know, me just talking and like going throughout our day, cleaning like you always kind of see from me, and just adding a little bit of variety. So kind of be looking forward to my Fridays videos transitioning into that. I may end up posting a different video, one day in the life another, but my goal is really to post at least one day in the life video per week. I am now working on the floors and the couch, getting those all vacuumed, going along the edges and making sure that they really get clean. I always love to do a good clean of the couch. Sometimes I'm just using my cordless vacuum, which does work, but definitely using the cord vacuum works better. And I love now having my couch the way it is because I can do vacuum lines on it, and I don't know, it just makes me happy walking by and seeing the vacuum lines. I know some people hate them, some people love them. I love just a freshly clean vacuum lined space. It just helps me feel like the space is truly clean. But we're going to get this rug vacuumed. We're going to move on into this back section here in just a minute, and then we're going to pull out the shampooer. If you've watched my other spring cleaning videos, I've mentioned all of the cleaning products that I've been using, and I will try to link as many as I can down in the shopping tab below, so that way if you don't have any and you're wanting to get some spring cleaning done or just cleaning in general, you can kind of see what I have and purchase some of those if you would like, or just look at it and figure out exactly which kind you would want as well. But we are going to finish the cleaning of the vacuuming, and then we are going to pull out the carpet cleaner. want to say thank you so much for being here and watching today's video. And if you've been sticking around through all of my spring cleaning videos, I really do appreciate it. And I hope you're able to get at least some motivation to get some spring cleaning done around your house, just motivation to tackle something around your house. Or if you're just watching to enjoy, I hope you were able to. But I am so happy to be done with my spring cleaning, especially now that we're getting the warm weather. I can go out and just enjoy it with my kids. But thanks again for watching. I will try to have as many things that I used down in the description and the YouTube shopping tab, and I will see you guys all in my very next one. Bye!